can trigger those thunderstorms, and because it's so dry at the surface that if we do get any rain from that, most of that rain is going to evaporate before it even hits the ground. Not only that, but then there's also the threat of some dry lightning, and that is what we're really afraid of, because again, it is extremely dry out there. There is some growth and very little moisture. In fact, those fuels out there are extremely dry, and with all of that heat, it's going to heat up whatever brush is out there, whatever vegetation is out there, and it's going to be even more explosive or prone to catch fire. Let's go ahead and take a look outside, take a look at some temperature, and 77 in Camarillo. If you are planning to go to the beach, just remember that you are going to encounter some dangerous rip currents because of Tropical Storm Fabio. Your water temperature near Ventura, 68 degrees, Los Angeles 70 and 70 as well if you're in Orange County in northern San Diego. Here is your hazardous beach statement, pardon me. This afternoon, Newport had some surf between 8 and 12 feet. So we are going to continue to see this pattern into tomorrow. Remember, all of this is being produced by southwesterly swell that is coming from Tropical Storm Fabio. Large and dangerous rip currents, some breakers, so a lot to get to. The reason why I'm showing you the water vapor images is because remember, we are getting some moisture from Fabio, and I wanted to show it to you here. Remember when I showed you this yesterday, at this time it was brown and yellow and orange and gray, and that meant dry, dry, dry. Now at least we're seeing a little bit of moisture in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Not enough to have an impact where we are, and that's why we have this. We have a red flag warning. Well, these are the watches and warnings. It's going to be extremely hot. Get to a public library or get to a mall if you don't have air conditioning and the cooling centers near your home are not open yet. 10